Apartment building for sale in El Dorado, Trinidad. Welcome to El Dorado, where opportunity meets luxury living. Are you in search of the perfect investment? Look no further. Introducing a new 4-story apartment building for sale in El Dorado. 2 building for the price of 1. Nestled in the heart of El Dorado, this property boasts an enviable location. With its approved status, it's ready for you to move in and start earning from day one. Furnished 1-bedroom units. This stunning building features 12 fully furnished 1-bedroom units, perfect for young professionals or couples seeking comfort and convenience. Additionally, there are 2 spacious 2-bedroom penthouse units, offering luxurious living with breathtaking views. Penthouse, apartments and office space all available. But that's not all. You'll also find a sizable studio apartment, ideal for singles or as a cozy workspace. Plus, there are 2 large office spaces, perfect for businesses looking for a prime location. And don't forget the ample storage area, factory, and warehouse, providing endless possibilities for expansion or additional income streams. Security is paramount, and this property has it all. Fully walled with an electric gate, you can rest assured knowing your investment is well protected. Ample parking and yard space. Spanning approximately 11,000 square feet of freehold land, this property offers plenty of room for future development or recreational amenities. Fully furnished units. Each unit comes fully furnished, ensuring your tenants have everything they need for a comfortable stay. From sleek modern kitchens to cozy living spaces, every detail has been thoughtfully curated. El Dorado apartment building listed at $12 million negotiable. And the best part? This exceptional opportunity can be yours for just $12 million TTD. Don't miss out on this chance to own a piece of El Dorado's thriving real estate market. Contact us today to schedule a viewing and make your investment dreams a reality. Call 1-868-283-1172.